Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today is the day 7 of my English speaking challenge and I'm very happy because I completed. And the bad thing about my challenge that I am not consistent with this language because sometime I went my mother house, sometime I came in my in-laws house. So that is the problem it's happening with my journey. So that's why I did not making videos because in my mother house there is the bad internet that you cannot use Geo sim in my mother house, and there is so the construction was going on, this construction was going on, and my father's health was not going well, and that's why he was admitted from the last 1 month in the hospital, and now he is relaxed. He came to my house. He is ill, but doctor said to her, if you will continue to give the medicine on time, so he will be perfect within 2 or 3 months. He can start working also. Okay, so in 2026, what is the resolution you took that is matters to a lot? Because I did not tell to my videos that what resolution I took from the 2026. Okay, my first resolution, I'll try to update myself everything in my physical way. I'll try to update mentally. I'll try to update. I'll try to think modern. I'll try to do exercise also. I'll try to be a good mother and a good wife also. I could be a bahu also, but I don't know whether I can be a good bahu or, yeah or not, but I can be a good person. Okay, second resolution from that, I'll try to get monetize my channel very soon because it's very important. Because from the last 2024 I am working on my channel. From the last 2024 I am working on my channel. It doesn't happen nothing. So my son start crying because he woke up now, and the timing was 5:30 continuously. So I think, oh